Example 1. Show that cot theta plus tan theta is equal to secant theta into cosecant theta. So this is LHS RHS. Now we take LHS left hand side. So cot theta plus tan theta. So now cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta plus tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta, because this can be written, why? Because in RHS secant and cosecant, so that's why we can convert like this: cosecant theta, cos theta by sin theta plus sin theta by cos theta. Now LCM, that is sin theta cos theta. So now sin of sin, so simply we can write this cos theta into sin theta. This is LCM into sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cancel, cos into cos square theta plus sin theta by cos theta into, that is LCM is sin theta into cos theta. So cos theta cancel. So now sin into sin square theta. So this can be written as cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Already we know that formula. Now sin theta into cos theta. So this can be written as 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. So 1 by sin theta is nothing but cosecant theta. Sin and cosecants are reciprocals each other. Now cos theta can be written as secant theta. So this is nothing but right hand side. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. This is very, very important. Now second problem. Show that tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta equal to secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. Now LHS, tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta. So this is here tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta. So both terms have tan square. So covered as tan square can be common. Now 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. Now this can be written as tan square theta into 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but, already we know that formula, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So that means secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So now 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So that is secant square theta. So this can be written as tan square theta into secant square theta. Now we need in RHS only secant terms. So that's why we can convert tan into secant terms. So that means here tan square theta can be written as, that is secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. So tan square theta is nothing but secant square theta minus 1. So secant square theta minus 1 into secant square theta. So now secant square theta into secant square theta equal to secant power 4 minus 1 into secant square theta, that is secant square theta. This is the answer. So that is RHS. So therefore LHS equal to RHS. So first in terms of tan, that can be converted into secant terms. So simply we can common tan square theta. After that 1 plus tan square is nothing but secant square theta. Using this formula we can simply solve the problem. Now third problem. Prove that root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta. So in such cases, same manner, we can take LHS, that is root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Now in this case, we can rationalize the denominator. So that means multiply with 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta within the root. So why we are multiplying the 1 plus cos theta? Because we rationalize the denominator because it is in the roots. So we can cancel that root. So next step, this is 1 plus cos theta, this is also 1 plus cos theta. So 1 plus cos theta whole square by here 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. This is nothing but simply a minus b into a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b is nothing but a square minus b square. So that means 1 square 1 minus cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. So this is within the root. Now we can separate the roots. So that is root of 1 plus cos theta whole square. After that, this one root of 1 minus cos square theta. So now that equal to here square root both are cancelled. So then we get 1 plus cos theta by here 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta. Already we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So here sin square theta. Now this can be written as 1 by sin square theta plus cos theta by sin square theta. Yes, now here 1 by sin theta is nothing but cosecant theta. So that is here observe that here 1 within the root. So here we get root. So this is 1 by sin square theta is nothing but sin theta because within the root. So now cos theta by square root to cancel, that is sin theta. Now 1 by sin theta is nothing but cosecant theta plus cos theta by sin theta is nothing but cot theta. So this is the right hand side. So LHS equal to RHS, cosecant theta plus cot theta, cosecant theta plus cot theta. So this is the RHS.